Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Tuesday the 21st of October, and as you can see here I took a BE trade on both my Express today, and it was very unfortunate. I got stopped out by like 1 to 2 points and then it ran to TP. But yeah, I'll walk you guys through the trade and why I took it. So my bias coming in today was bullish. Okay, I can maybe do it on TradingView because Top Step is fucked up. Okay, we hadn't tapped all-time high, and we had all of these bullish imbalances below us. So what I want to see was for us to tap back into these fair value gaps and then catch along, which is basically exactly what happened. There was a lot of fake out here before this rally gap. Like here we get the assist, then we got a 30-second inversion, didn't enter, and here we get the assist and also a 1 minute inversion later on. But we hadn't tapped the 4 hour, and I wasn't really too confident in this entry price was too choppy, so I want to wait for some more movements down, which happened. So we made a bearish SMT right here with ES right there, and then we make a very fast move down and we make this bullish SMT. So this was like A plus, a very good setup, very A plus. And then we get this turtle soup. Let's see, yeah, we did take that on ES as well, I believe. Yeah, okay, so we get this turtle soup and then get fast manipulation to the upside right here. So we disrespect that 1 minute bearish, and also we make the assist at the same time. So this is like a trade I would take 10 out of 10 times. It's very A plus, very good setup. Got my entry like right there, stop loss at the lows and the target at these highs. So it was let's see, yeah, it was a 1 to 2 RR. Could have targeted more, but I wanted to just target low hanging fruit and go for this high. And I went break even rather quickly once we tapped into this 3 minutes. So right there I went break even, and by then I was up 20 points. So yeah, it isn't the worst break even. I really don't know where else I could have gone break even other than that, and I do like this break even because we also here show respect of 5 minutes when we retrace down. We did disrespect the 2 minute, but we respected the 3 minute and the 5 minute for value gaps and started to retrace down. So it is a valid break even in my opinion. It just kind of sucks that this break even landed right in the golden pocket, but it's weird because my break even was 33, so it was right there. So it was like below, or like right at the close of this 5 minute, or a little bit below it, and yeah, below the closest of the fair value gap. So I didn't think we should have to retrace that much down, but we did and just tapped it. But I don't really know where I could have had SL if not B, because I didn't want us to go down here, and I did have it within the fair value gaps. Maybe I could have just moved a trailing SL to there if we go through this 2 minute and also below the golden pocket, which ends right there, and then I would have gotten saved. But yeah, knowing me, I probably wouldn't have done that, because at this point in time I would have wanted to be risk off, and it just really sucks that today it had to get stopped out just by like 2 points, and then it ran to TP, and I could have taken this re-entry continuation trade. We did have some really bad internal SMT, and then we get to disrespect here, so I could have entered right here. We stop loss at that low, target right there, but quite bad RR, and I was very tilt after this hitting break even and us going up again, so wouldn't really be the best time to enter again. And I also know that if I would have been more mad if this hit SL than if I entered and it hit SL than if I entered and it hit TP. So if it would have hit SL, I would have been really mad, and probably would have crashed out or something. I don't know, but I didn't want to take it because I just know I would have been really mad if it decided to hit SL. But yeah, that was the trade for today, and it just fucking sucks. I would have made on this bad express. I had 6 contracts, as you can see, with an entry on 30, like right there. Yeah, exactly there. So I was gonna take it out when it was ES swept at high as well. So like right there, I would have made around $600+ on that account and around 500 on plus on this account, like 550 and 650 is what I would have made, and it would have been my first TP trade in a long time, or this is the first trade on this account, so it ended up B, and as you can see, break even, a lot of break even trades and losing trades. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know why I can't take winning trades. And this entry is like so good of entry. It's not like I had a bad entry. I had like the best entry I could have had at 32. I couldn't have had a much better entry really after the 1 minute cyst and the disrespect. But I think I'm gonna focus. Well, we were in a 4 hour and we just rebalanced this 0.5 level basically, and I think I'm gonna focus more on lower time frames once we're in a very high probable zone like this. So maybe like zoom into the 15 second, because then I could have here we get the cyst. Let's see, right there we get a cyst, and right here we get the disrespect of this for value gap with momentum as well. And we had the turtle soup, so this is a very nice entry for lower time frames. And I could have gotten the entry, let's say I got the entry right here, and I have my stop loss at the low, and then I could target either for a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 6. I could target this untouched 3 minute, but to target just low hang fruit would have hit, or I could go for a very good RR trade right there, and it would not have hit my break even. I probably would have had in some profit like right there, but it wouldn't have hit the break even point. So I think I'm gonna focus on more lower time frames, but you need to be very careful and have very good confirmations and be in a very probable zone, because otherwise you will get fooled out a lot of the time, like right here. But then you maybe could have gone BE very fast. Yeah, so yeah, getting 15-second entries or 30 seconds, but being able to go break even very early. Here I could have gone break even at this internal high, so you can go break even very fast, which is nice. So I'm gonna focus on that, and I have been back testing it a little bit. But yeah, that was the trade recap for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.